Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about pointer arithmetics. In the last video I have discussed about the size of the pointer variables, like exactly how it happens, right? And this is the code which you have written actually at that time, correct? But today in this video we are going to discuss about the pointer arithmetic. So first of all, let me talk about like what exactly pointer arithmetic is. So if I talk about pointer arithmetics, first of all, addition will be come into the picture and subtraction. We cannot multiply, or we cannot divide one pointer by another one. Okay, like pointer variable, not the value which they are pointing into. Okay, now let me give you an example. For example, let me zoom it here a little bit. Yeah. So this is a pointer P which is pointing to A. Okay. And for example, this is another pointer. Okay. And let me edit here. It will be B. And for example, it will be Q. And it will be, for example, 200. And it will be, for example, 24. Okay. So it is pointer Q and it is pointer P. And here it is a variable A and it is a variable B. Correct. Now, if you want to subtract, it will work. But if you want to multiply, it won't work. We cannot divide these two pointer variables because these are addresses. We can add and subtract the address, but we cannot multiply or divide the addresses. Correct. Now question comes, then why and what will happen? First of all, let me give you an example, and now let me give you an example. So stdio dot h integer main. Okay, and for example, integer a equal to 10, and for example, integer secure 10% a, and then let me print the value, चलो x ही करते हैं, of p. Okay, and then let me print it. So you can see, oh sorry, it will be print f. Okay, yeah, so here you can see a warning has been generated. Okay, unsigned int, so we cannot use, we can use u. I think that will be there. Okay, that will be good, no issues. We can use %d also, I think. So the value will be printed out, don't worry. It is saying that like it will be like integer. If I use asterisk p, then it will be okay. Okay, but here we are not using, like we can use ampersand a also. Okay, and the same thing will be printed out. Correct. Acha, now let me use p and let's ignore this warning and all as of now. Okay, so it is going to be printed out. See, 184058376. Now if I do p plus p equal to p plus 1. Okay, and then again if I print it, you could see it has jumped 4 byte. Correct. So we can understand one thing from here, that what's happening, that if I use, for example, if I use a equal to a plus 1. Okay, if I use a here, and if I use a equal to a plus 1. Okay, and then if I print it, okay, then what will happen? A equal to 10, a is getting 11. But when we are adding 1 with a pointer variable, it is a pointer variable, correct? It is adding 4, it is 32, it is 36. So now how it is jumping 4 bytes? That's the question, correct? So now here you can understand, this is the diagram. Okay, so integer, that means it's a 4 byte, correct? Now if you have to, like if you add one pointer, what it will do, it will jump one, like the size of that kind of variable it is taking. For example, it is double, it will take 8 bytes jump. Like from here, actually what will happen, that uh, from this part, okay, it will jump to this part. That is how it works. Okay, let me give you another example. That's why the 4 has been actually added. So the main formula is nothing but, okay, see, p equal to p plus 1 and 1 into size of byte. Okay, size of int. So if it is 2, for example, if I adding 2, then it will be 2 into size of int, that means it will be 2 into 4, that means 8. See, 72 plus 8 equal to 80, whereas if you add 2 here, it is only incrementing the value 10 from 10 to 12, but whereas it is 32 to 40, that means 8. That is how actually pointer arithmetic works. Correct. Now let's do something more, like for example, if I take okay, let's remove all the ints and let's replace it. Okay, it will not work like that. Okay, so let's make it double a equal to 10.0, I think. Okay, and then it will be obviously double, correct, and it will be double means what, lf. Okay, long float lf. So it can be percent t, that not a problem, and p equal to p plus 2, a equal to a plus 2, and then it will be okay, percent d only, and here it will be lf. Okay, now if you see here 68, it is 84. Okay, why? Because 68 plus 84, that means what, 16. Okay, 16 has been jumped because it is a double, size is 8. If you put like here 1 and here also it is 1, 1 will be incremented and will be done 64 to 72, that means 8 has been done for the variable double. That's how the pointer arithmetic actually works. Okay, so for integer type it was here, and obviously it will be next, it will be here. That's how the thing is, 4 bytes it will jump, correct. That is called the pointer arithmetics. That's it, nothing like that. And if you minus, like subtraction also will be there, so if you minus, then again it will be like for example, if you put for example p here, right? Now if you write p equal to p minus 1, let's remove this a as of now. Okay, and here also let's remove it, and it will be minus. Okay, 1 into, you can see it's 62, 60, then 52. That means decrement and increment, it will be happening, it will be completely dependent on the type of the variable in which the pointer is pointing to. Okay, if it is double, if the size is 8, then it will be like 8 it will be plus, and 8 it would be minus. Okay, based on the operation. Now the question comes that, like either we can do the subtraction operation by the pointers itself. Yes, we can do that. And there are like adding of an integer to a pointer is valid, subtraction of a pointer, okay, from a pointer to another one, it will happening. Subtraction of pointer from another pointer, okay, it will also work, but addition will not be working. Okay, subtraction we can do, and we will talk about it later on also in our data structure playlist, in our dynamic that memory allocation topic also we will talk about it. It's the basic thing of the pointer arithmetics. It's a basic example I am giving. On now, here another thing comes, like here you can do p plus plus also, you can write plus plus p also, so same thing will be occurring, you can see here. So p plus plus means what, one increment, again plus plus means it's double, so see 80 to 96, 16 bit has been jumped. Now if I write here again p minus minus, then if you see, so 36 to 44, only 8, so 16 increment has been done, then again 8 has been deducted from that value. That's how the thing is. Okay, so this is all about pointer arithmetics. If you remember this diagram, if you can remember this diagram, then you can easily understand how actually pointer arithmetic are working. Because see, for example, if any pointer if any pointer is pointing here, and if I jump into this one, is it going to be a valid one? Because a number has been actually your, for example, your house is there. Okay, so in between your house, another house, like another person's house border cannot be, right? In your border, like when your, like where your house is going to be ended, from that section new house will be built, correct. Accordingly, like new integer will take place, okay, from this section. Okay, here like you can tell that, okay, this is another integer, so here you can see another integer, for example. Okay, that is how the thing is, that is how it actually occurs. Okay, here it will be like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and now it will be taking place the another double. Okay, in case of character, if the size is 1, then obviously new will be taking to new pointer. Okay, new blocks will consume another pointer variable. That's how the thing is. That simple as that, nothing else like that. So normal integer, the bottom of the line, like it's everything. If I ramp up that, if you add one variable, like for example equal to 10, if you add 1 with that, it will be 11. But in case of pointer, it will not be like that. It will be incremented by that value, which will be the the size of the size of the variable. And also, if you want to like if you would p plus 2, then the formula only also I have shown you guys. The formula would be something like this, like p equal to p plus, then how many bytes, number of bytes, any number which will be like incrementing, and then size of the data type. That is how actually this is the formula. Okay, this is the base address. Okay, and then what is the number into the size of the data type. That's it, simple as that. Okay, so this is the topic about the pointer arithmetic. In the next video we will talk about like more things. Okay, and oh, another thing is there, like the arithmetic operation that cannot be performed. Okay, addition, multiplication, division of two pointers are not possible, but subtraction is possible. Okay, multiplication between two pointer and any number is not possible. Any kind of multiplication and division is not possible. Any kind of addition of two pointer variables are not possible. Like only subtraction we can do. Multiplication, division is not there. Addition of two pointer variables are not there, but addition of two, sorry, subtraction of two pointer variables are there. Addition of a float and a double value is not possible. Okay, so you can say that is how the thing. You can answer like, okay, one pointer variable is pointing to a value like integer type. Okay, another one is pointing to like float. So we can subtract between those two pointers. Yes, it is there. It we can do, but like we can do along with the variables also. Correct. So that is how we can do, but sub addition, multiplication, division is not possible. So that is the main thing. Okay, in the next video we will talk about like precedence and associativity, like chart we have read in the operator chapter, right? If you haven't gone through that video, I would say definitely go to the operator video. There are two videos, and in the second video I already explained like what is the precedence and associativity chart, and based on that there are some expressions which we are going to like explain in the next video. After that, many other concepts also are coming soon, so stay tuned with the playlist. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached you through notification. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.